Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to short on eToro. And right now we are here in the home tab and we want to short Bitcoin, for example. Then the first thing that we're going to do is we search right here for the account that we want to use. I want to use my demo account right here, so that is fine. And then we go here to the search bar and we search for Bitcoin. Then we click right here on Bitcoin and then we select right here the chart. And then right now what we're going to do is we select right here the red one, and that is standing for short sell. Then we fill in right here with how much money we want to do this. So let's say with $1,000, that is fine. And then we can also add a stop loss or a take profit if you want to do that. But for now, I don't want to do any of them. So let's say this is fine. And then what we're going to do is we click right here on short. So now if you select right here short, you see right here order received, order filled. And now if you go here to portfolio, you see right here that we created ourselves a nice short position. So when we click here on Bitcoin, you will find right here a sell CFD. And that is exactly what we wanted. And we also created a stop loss for ourselves. So that is fine for now. But this is how you can short right here on eToro. So if you want to know something else about shorting right here on the chart, please comment it down below so I can help you out right there. But this is what you need to know for the video of today. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.